you with somebody that I don't know, but you're taking shots at me like it's Patron, and I'm just like, damn, it's 7 a.m. Say it in the street, that's a knockout.
Samira, are you ready to say hello to the duckies? Yes? Alright, let's go say hi. Come on. You want to say hi to the duckies? Hello beautiful souls, Kim Crystal here and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I was meant to do a DIY dream catcher, but it kind of messed up, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to make this dream catcher look better. I think the strands are too thick. I will fix that and make a new DIY video for you guys. I think I do a little video update where you guys can meet my ducklings and see some new dream catchers that I've made, because it's been a while since I've done a video. I wanted to show you this purple dream catcher. It is absolutely so pretty. I just love all the different colors. So I have a tutorial on my channel showing you how to make this multicolored web. This was on a discontinued line of materials, so I'm gonna run out of this eventually and it makes me so sad. I'm gonna show you guys some of my other dream catchers, but first we're gonna have to go to my bedroom. Now we are in my bedroom, so I'm gonna show you some new dream catchers I've been making that I just absolutely love so much, and I think you guys are gonna love it too. So the first one I want to show you is a bit of a surprise because I haven't figured out what I'm going to do to its tassels yet. I just began making it, so are you ready? This is how it looks. So this dream catcher is probably my favorite dream catcher I've ever made. Like, it is just so beautiful. Like, it's just got all these beautiful details and feathers that are hand collected, and then this beautiful macrame pattern rope I've been doing. If you guys would like to know how to make this, just comment down below and I can make a tutorial on that for you guys. So this web is actually super special, and I'm gonna sound like a little bit of one of those people that are like, oh, it's so special, but it actually is. So when you look at this web, it's got thick patterning, and then it's got the thin weave, then it goes thick again and then thin. Now that might look super simple to make, it's actually very hard to make that, so I did it. I didn't stuff that one up, which is really cool. So yeah, that one is one of my favorite dream catchers I have made so far. A lot of you guys have probably seen the one behind me now. That is my dream catcher dedicated to my dog that died. Bella, love her so much. Miss her all the time. And then another dream catcher I wanted to show you guys in my collection is this beauty over here. So this dream catcher is probably also one of my favorites. I'll just move this for you guys. This one over here has a very cool web, but what I like most about this one is it's got this wooden hanging branch that I've wrapped, and then it has these hanging pendants as well, and I just love this dream catcher. It's just so like, I don't know, it's so elven. If you would like a certain tutorial on a specific type of dream catcher, comment down below. I'm sorry I've been gone, I've been really sick. I'm going in to take my wisdom teeth out tomorrow, all 4 of them. Wish me luck, it's gonna be really painful. Hopefully not. Then I am going into another surgery, but that's a whole nother video. Just wanted to show you this blue dream catcher. If you guys would like to learn how to make a dream catcher, you can check out my channel. I have these DIY craft kits you can purchase on my online store. So it has everything you need that is perfectly selected for making a dream catcher. And the pink one in the corner is super sweet, and that also comes in a DIY craft kit as well, so that's super exciting and really fun because you guys were always commenting where I get my materials. I buy them in bulk, so you need like a couple hundred of them, and that means that you guys won't be able to get the materials that I have. So I've made them into DIY kits for you guys. I almost forgot, I have another dream catcher here, and this one was featured on my channel as well. So this is the astrology themed dream catcher. So this has all the zodiac pendants around it. I feel like doing a house tour for you guys. I've got dream catchers everywhere. And there's Amira. She's gonna come follow us in a second to go see the ducklings. Oh, and I also have this wall of dream catchers over here. And also this crystal dream catcher up top. Hi Nixie, say hi to my sister. Ah! Let's go meet my ducklings. Good morning, duckies.
And I'm just like, hey, are you okay?
Hello, little darlings.
And I ain't trying to mess with your self-expression, but I've learned a lesson that's resting and obsessing about somebody else's no
Good morning,
fun.
ducky.
And snakes and stones never broke.
Good morning, duckies. You ready to go see your grass for the first time? Want to see grass for the first time, duckies?
Starts and you're being too loud. And I'm just like, you need to just stop. But can you just not step on my gown? You need to calm down. This was all you, none of it me. You put your
Nice to have them in one spot, but I don't think I've noticed too much.
Told me you were ready for the big one, for the big jump. I'd be your last love, everlasting, you and me. That was what you told me. I'm giving you up, I'm forgiving it all. You set me free. Oh, send my love to your new lover. Treat her better. Try to let go of all of our.
So that's about it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to comment some duckling names, just comment down below. I would love to hear what you think I should call them. If you guys would like to shop any of the dream catchers or have something custom made, you can just check out my shopping link in the description box down below and my Instagrams. And yeah, that's about it. Bye!